How's it going, guys? It's Byron here at Modern Muscle Extreme. We are on our in-house engine dyno here at Modern Muscle. Today, we just finished up testing our MMX no tune required 5.7 camshaft. So this is something that we've offered for quite a few years now that actually not a lot of people know about, and it's actually proven to be one of our best-selling camshafts. So today, we'll dive right into it. I want to talk to you a little bit about what it does do, what it doesn't do, all that kind of stuff. So basically what this camshaft fits is going to be any 09 and up 5.7 HEMI. So Durangos, Jeeps, Challengers, Chargers, 300s, Ram trucks, anything with the VVT 5.7 in it. And basically what this cam does is it requires no spring upgrade, no push rod upgrade, no limiter in the upper gear, and it requires no tuning. So it works completely on the OEM 5.7 calibration. And you're like, most people are like, whoa, I did not realize that you could install a cam and not have to tune it. Well, we did extensive research and development with this camshaft to make it work with the OEM calibration, because the 5.7 OEM calibration or tune is very, very rich. So actually installing this camshaft gets it to be right back to where it should be as far as air fuel ratio, 12.1, 12.5 to 1 throughout the pull, which is just about perfect. So we'll go ahead and put the dyno graph up here. We found 37 horsepower on the stock calibration with this camshaft, which is a pretty awesome upgrade considering you don't really have to do anything other than install just the camshaft to pick up that kind of power. Actually, our very first test vehicle for this camshaft was our 2019 shop Ram truck. It worked very, very well in that. It was one of the best towing half-ton trucks that I've ever driven. You're going to notice a gain in throttle response, low speed torque, because the engine's consuming more air at lower engine speeds. It's something that doesn't really show up on our dyno graph here that's really kind of hard to explain, but that's actually one of the main reasons to buy this cam. Is you're going to notice it's more peppy down low, for lack of better words, and then you're going to notice that large gain, obviously, in power up top, which is fantastic. All right, guys, we actually offer this cam in two different variants. We have an MDS version and a non-MDS version. So the MDS version is the only HEMI cam on the market that will work with the stock MDS lifters as far as a performance camshaft, which is actually pretty cool. If you have a brand new Ram truck, a brand new Challenger, Charger, 300, whatever, and you want a little bit more power, but you don't want to go through changing all the hardware and doing the PCM and all that kind of stuff, that's what the cam is really made for. You want just a little bit of a bump, but you don't really want to go crazy right now. That is the perfect version. Or on the other side of that, if you want the non-MDS version, most likely you already have some mileage on your vehicle and you're worried about the MDS failure and you want to go ahead and take care of it before it happens, or it's already happened to you and you want to go ahead and delete the MDS system. We do have the cam ground in two different variants there. So just pay attention when you're checking out on the website. The names do look very similar. One just calls out MDS, the other calls out non-MDS at the end. Just make sure that you pick the correct one for your application. So if you are deleting the MDS system, make sure you pick the non-MDS version, because they are ground a little bit differently to work with the MDS lobes versus the non-MDS lifters. So that's all we got for you today, guys. Again, MMX HEMI engine dyno. We're going to be looking forward to doing some more videos just like this and sort of covering our camshaft selection. But today, again, we just want to talk to you about our 5.7 HEMI, MDS, and non-MDS no tune required cams. That's it, guys.